just like before. So take it easy.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be doing a orange summer sunset makeup tutorial showing you guys like all my favorite sort of orange products. I love the color orange. Like when it comes to makeup, I love like bright corally orange, like whenever you're tan especially. Even though I'm not self-tan today, I decided to go ahead and do this tutorial, and it's different than I thought it was gonna be. I thought I was gonna be using this Lip Sense like really bright color, but when I swatched it, it was totally different than what it looks like in the tube. So I decided to pass on that, but I will save this bold color for another video. But yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please let me know your thoughts down below, what you wanna see next. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like tutorials, want to see more of them, and subscribe, hit that little alert button for me. If you guys want to see how I achieve this makeup look, then just keep watching. So what I'm going to do is go in with the eyes first. I'm going to do a dramatic like orange smoky eye. So if you guys want to see how I prep my skin, since I already did that, check out my video that I did previous to this one because I showed you exactly how I prep it. What I'm going to do is just take this soft ochre paint pot. I'm basically just muting out the eye like I always do in every eye look because I really like to conceal any redness or veins and make a blank canvas for the eye look. For my transition color for this eye look, I'm going to be using Eden out of the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette. This is like a perfect peachy transition color for an orange eye. I'm going to be using both the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk, as you've already seen, and I'm also going to be incorporating some of the Natasha Denona eyeshadow palette as well. I like these shimmers in there a lot, more than the mattes. If I had to pick between the two different formulas, I'd definitely pick shimmer out of there. But this orange right here in this Huda Beauty palette is like perfect. It's called Blazing. It's perfect for a nice orange eye look. I was debating like, do I do orange eyes and face? Like, is that too much? But then I was like, heck, why not, you know? I'm gonna take Blazing right here on a fluffy brush. I am just taking this on that outer V, packing it on there. So don't focus too much on bringing this on the lid because I am going to put a gold shimmer on the lid. So it really just needs to be blended into the crease. These Huda Beauty eyeshadows blend so amazing. I think better than the Natasha Denona eyeshadows personally. So next I'm going to add this gold shade. It's called Sundazed out of the Natasha Denona. So I'm going to be using this one right here to do like a cut crease. But I'm going to take the MAC Soft Ochre to lay it down on this portion of my eye before I go in with that to kind of map out the lid where I want to apply the shimmer. Taking that shimmer on this 242, MAC 242, I'm just packing that glitter on this brush and applying it straight to my lid. I do want to make this gold, yellow gold color kind of pop a little bit more, so I am going to add some Fix Plus. This is the one infused with like the gold. Make it pop a little bit more on there. Love it. So pretty. So the only thing that I want to do as far as shadows go is add a little bit of dark, like a dark brown color. And I think I'm going to stick with the mattes. I'm going to try this color in the Natasha Denona palette. This one is called Terra, on just a pencil brush, and pack it on the outer V just to kind of bring in the look because I feel like it looks a little naked without some sort of a deeper, darker color on the outskirts, you know what I mean? Bringing it in up on the crease just to kind of tie in that cut crease. Okay, so I am done with the eyes right now. I know I look a little crazy. I'm gonna go ahead and do my mascara, my lashes, and then my brows, and I will be back to do the rest of my face. And my skin is already prepped, so I'm about to go in with some foundation. Today I'm going to be using the Estee Lauder Double Wear, and I wear the shade Desert Beige 2-in-1. And this shade is good for like my just normal skin, I'd say. I'm definitely not self-tan right now, but you know, it's a good beige. It's like a very good true beige color on me. It's not too warm or anything. To give me more of a luminous look and glowy look, I'm going to add some of this Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector in the shade Champagne Pop. So I'm just taking like one pump, like half a pump maybe, of that. I'm gonna make a little cocktail down here. And I was gonna be using this lip today, but like that's just way too bright with this eye look. I wasn't gonna go too hard with the eyes, but I decided like I wanted to do an orange eye look, sort of like a sunset look. And then I will do another look, I think, using this lip color, because the lip color looks so much different in this tube than on my hand. So I think it's gonna be beautiful, and I think it'd be really pretty to incorporate this sort of taupe rose gold eyeshadow with that. So I think I'm gonna do another, like, hold off on that and like do a different tutorial, maybe like how to rock a bold lip tutorial. If you guys are interested, please let me know down below how to rock a bold lip, because I love doing bold lips in the summer, especially because it's hot. You don't want to be wearing a bunch of makeup. Like, you don't want too much like a cake face, you know, for everyday makeup wear. It's a great time to use a bold lip because you don't have to wear a whole lot of makeup. The lip is like the statement of the look. So I'm thinking I might just do a how to rock a bold lip tutorial, like how to do your eyes so that it looks good. Like, whenever I do a bold lip, I really like to concentrate on like contour, highlight, make sure the skin looks amazing, but really go light on the eyes. Now that I have this base on, look how luminous my skin is, girl. I like how this foundation mixed with that cream highlight from Becca didn't give my skin too much of a full coverage appearance. It kind of diluted it a little bit, and I like that because my skin's looking pretty good right now. Knock on wood. So next up, going with a under eye sort of brightener. I feel like my under eyes, I've been not getting really good sleep lately, to be honest with you. So I need to kind of brighten my under eyes up a little bit before I go in with my concealer. And it's gonna be full coverage AF. I'm so excited. I use the Becca Under Eye Brightening Corrector, just in case you were wondering, and that really definitely gave me some brightness. I'm so excited to be using this oldie but goodie, the Tarte Shape Tape. I have not used it in literally months. I don't even think I've used it since I've been in my new place, and I have a new tube, and I'm so excited. Oh, okay. If you have not used Tarte Shape Tape, you are not living your best life. Nothing works as good as Tarte Shape Tape. Let's be real. I love my YSL All Hours. I love my, what else do I love? Urban Decay. I've been using that one a lot lately, but nothing compares to this. I'm going to really try to use the least amount of powder that I can, because I love how luminous and dewy my skin is right now. Like, it just, oh, it's so great. I live for it, I really do. To bake, I am going to be using the Marc Jacobs coconut powder. So there we go, that's all the powder that I really want to use. For bronzer, I'm going to be using the Tom Ford. I really want the Marc Jacobs coconut one, but I feel like it's sold out all the time. And I like, ain't nobody got time for that. You know what I mean? Ooh, it's in stock. I think I need it. Omega Perfect Coconut Bronzer or something. Okay, cool. I just added that to my cart. I'm debating on getting the Guerlain Terracotta Bronzing Spray, like the airbrush bronzer, because I love like airbrush type stuff that comes in a can like that. I love the Sephora ones, and I would use that today, but they are always sold out. And I think that they're either redoing it or they're discontinuing the Sephora blush, airbrush blush, because it's like never there online. I will say this Tom Ford, I like it. It's just not dark enough for me. I need a darker. And then to contour a little bit, I'm gonna be using the Tarte Park Avenue Princess palette. I like to use this shade right here, Princess Cut. To do that, I'm gonna just, ooh, touch on that a little bit. I love that. Ooh, yeah, that gives me some life. Princess Cut. And I've been obsessed with this contour brush, the Morphe M523. I've been using it for like a long time, but I've just been living for it lately. Okay, so next I'm going to spray my face with this MAC Fix Plus Gold Light to prep my skin for this new highlighter that I'm so freaking excited about. Woo, I think people really judge me on how much I spray, but going in with this new Becca highlighter in the shade Dreamcicle. Look at the packaging. Thank you so much to Becca for gifting me this product, letting me try it out. I'm so excited. I love the packaging. It's a lot different than their other highlighters, like how it comes with the white and silver like that. And I own the Champagne Pop, the Opal, the highlighting palette. I bought the, like pretty much most of the Jaclyn collection that had come out. Excuse you. Excuse you. So I am a huge Becca highlighter fan. So I was excited to get this in the mail, and this is what it looks like. It looks like a freaking dreamsicle, creamsicle something. It's kind of like, so let me compare this to Champagne Pop. This is Champagne Pop and this is the Dreamsicle. So Dreamsicle has a little bit more orange. It's very similar. It's a little bit deeper, has a little bit more orange, maybe a little bit more gold in there. So this is Champagne Pop, has more of a champagne. This is the Dreamsicle right here. Dreamsicle is deeper, has a little bit more orange vibes. They're both so beautiful. And I'm just taking my Anastasia brush, tapping off and applying. Ooh. It's like this peachy gold. It's like a peachy gold that I die for. Ooh, this is one of those I just want to put all over my face. Look at that, you guys. Oh my gosh. Look at the difference. This side of my face versus this side of my face. It just gives you this sun-kissed look. Like it looks like you literally got kissed by the sun. Whoa, 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 okay. Emily's getting a little carried away, but it's like I can't stop. The brush won't let me stop. We are getting drenched. So I feel like I got kissed by the sun. Like, I love it. I'm obsessed. I think I need to tone it down with a little bit of bronzer. And with my skin tone, I was a little concerned like, ooh, what if it's a little dark for me? Because I feel like this would look really bomb on deeper skin tones because it looks kind of like dark, but on the skin, it looks so good. It's like a peachy gold. Freaking gorgeous. I live for it. I don't know why I have this hand up, but whatever. Adding some blush. I'm gonna be using the Flower Beauty blush in the shade Peach Primrose. Perfect, just pulls it all in. The last thing that I need to do is do my lower lash line for my eyes, mascara, and my lip, and then we are all set with this look. I am obsessed with how glowy I look right now. I know I like love to be glowy and dewy, but this is such a beautiful highlight. I think I'm gonna do a little bit more of a bright orange to make the eye look pop a little bit more. So I'm gonna use this shade in the middle of the Natasha Denona Sunset palette, which is called Horizon. And to make it pop even more, I'm going to go in with the shade Blazing with the Huda Beauty palette. And I might go in with a little bit of the amber, but just gives it like a nice pop of orange down there. So I'm going to finish off with this mascara, and this is what I used on my lashes on top. This is the Lancome Hypnose Drama, and I love this mascara. It is so amazing. I love how the brush is like curved like that, so whenever you're doing your lashes, it just hits all the points, you know what I mean? Okay, so to finish this look off, I am going to be doing the lips. And like I said, I was gonna be doing this bright color, but it's just too much with this eye look that I have going on. I'm gonna save that for another video. I'm just gonna use a nude combination that I have today. I'm gonna be using the Kylie lip liner in the shade Exposed, just to kind of map out the lip a little bit. I'm going to add a little bit of this. It's the Dose of Colors Desi Katie collection, which I don't use that often, but it's a really good like nude shade. It kind of reminds me of MAC Flesh Pot, and it's in the shade No Shade. And then you can either keep it matte like this if you want to, but I'm going to add some gloss because I love gloss. And this is also the Desi Katie collection with Dose of Colors. And this is the gloss called Over the Top, which I'm almost out of, and I'm so sad. I should have gotten like way more. I should have gotten like five tubes of it maybe. So I'm just gonna add that on top. Oh, this shade is heaven. This completes the orange sunset summer makeup tutorial. I hope that you guys enjoyed. I really love the way that this look turned out. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you liked it and want to see more tutorials in the future. Let me know what you think about, I already took it off, but the bright lip, how to rock a bold lip, and show you like what kind of eye look I like to do with bold lips. Subscribe, don't forget to sign up for alerts, and let me know what you want to see next down below. I will see you in my next video. Bye.